Hey everybody, Pete Blank here for this week's edition of Pete's Points. I'm at the McWane Science Center in Birmingham, Alabama around a new exhibit called Sacred Places. Now the neat thing about this exhibit is it shows all of the sacred places where people worship. So it could be different locations, different religions, different styles, all kinds of neat things. Well, what in the world does this have to do with you as a leader? Well, I also want to talk to you today about the idea of safe spaces. You've heard the idea of a safe space. Well, that exists. And now I'm talking about sacred spaces. Those exist. But I want to talk to you today about a thing called a creative space. Creative space. Do you have a space at work for your employees to be creative? Do you have a place where they can go and think and come up with new innovative ideas? Where I work, I'm blessed that we made a room like that, and we call it the think tank. And you can see a picture of it over my shoulder here. And the think tank is where people go if they want to brainstorm or be creative or think about new interesting things to do around people, processes, or their property. It's hard to be creative in a regular conference room or in your office. So you want to try and have a creative space available for your employees. How can you do this? Well, maybe one day bring in some lava lamps or a smellitzer or maybe some nice music in the background, or maybe put some art up in a room. In order for people to be creative, they have to be surrounded by creative spaces. So just like here, this exhibit is called Sacred Spaces, and you've heard about safe spaces. Make sure that you create a creative space for your employees as well. That's all from the McWane Science Center. See you next time on Pete's Points.